I'm sorry, Jean. I guess we forgot about
What's she doing? Oh shit. Really should look.